What is up, riders? Welcome back to the channel. We have yet another BWS 100 here for some big modifications. So let's check it out. Alright, this scooter is still pretty fresh with only 10,000 Ks on the clock, but it has stood for quite a while. But in this video, we are going to do the full drive upgrade as well as the gearbox. So let's check out the new Malossi parts. Alright, let's check out what we're going to be installing today. So, first up, we've got the Malossi Kevlar belt. It also runs great with the stock setup, so we always recommend the Malossi belt. Of course, the Malossi Multibar 2000, one of your best bang for your bucks upgrade. This increases your top speed slightly, increases your torque, and kind of creates this linear pull. It's a great little upgrade. This paired with an exhaust pipe or a reed valve is one of the best bang for your bucks upgrade kits. Along with that, we are swapping out the 11-gram rollers which come with the kit for the 7.2 because we will be running a Pinkus racing pipe on here. It's not on yet, but we're going to be putting on these 7.2 gram rollers. Sticking with the front, we've got the Malossi fan pulley. It's a nice bit of bling. This also matches the Malossi multivar's profiles and runs a better angle compared to stock. Hopping to the rear of the drive, we've got a Malossi torque driver. This is a great little upgrade. It comes with 2 slots. Huh? Oh yeah, you're right. Off! Oh shit, I shouted at that guy I was walking past. I think he thought I was talking to him. Okay, and finally we've got in the back the Malossi Delta clutch. Now this is the 107 clutch and bell combo, which is going to work great with the setup. Nice cooling fins on the bell, so it's going to be quite an awesome little upgrade. And finally, we are doing the Malossi primary gears. So this is a slightly different gear ratio, giving you a better top speed. It's also straight cut gears, so better power delivery to the back wheel. And of course, you can't forget the 7.1 Malossi racing gear oil. So when we're doing the gearbox, we're going to drain the fluids anyway. It's nice to put some good quality oil in there, so Malossi is the way to go. And then we got some more goodies, but that will be in the next video. We got a cylinder kit, reed valve, carburetor. So if you want to be kept up to date with this video, like and subscribe down below and hit that bell notification so you will be notified when that video comes out.
Hold on, let me take my time.
Okay, so the drive's looking really good, nice and clean. It's obviously done low mileage since the last time it was serviced. The rollers look like Motorforce rollers, which are still like new. Okay, next thing we're going to get onto now is we're going to get into the gearbox and drain the oil, take the cover off and check the bearings out. Check over here how the drain plug is sitting away from the pool. So if you've got really dirty oil, you actually want to take it apart and clean it all out. This oil is obviously still in good nick, but you need to check these bearings. These ones feel a little bit on the rough side, so we're going to change it, put in the box, so we may as well just change these bearings. The one on the axle here though, in the entire time I've ever worked on these, I've only ever replaced one axle wheel bearing. Otherwise these ones they never go. It's a sealed bearing, so it pretty much doesn't get any water, moisture or nothing in it. As you can see, it spins quite freely. And then of course you've got these two. This one, these two are the main two that normally bomb out first. The end one, which is this one here, and then this one, which you can hear is a bit rough. This one's quite smooth, but we'll change them all. Anyway, looking good, normal wear and tear. So next is we're gonna have a look at this in this box. That's what we're next. What's my dumbass questions? Cool. So we got the replacement gear. What is the ratio here? I forgot about this. It was 1542. So this is 42. That one's 15. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, it's quite a difference. 15, what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's also 15. How can it also be 15? 16.
It's 16.
16, yeah. Fucking 16. It's one, yeah, it's basically one difference. You can see the difference in the diameter. It's not much, but it's makes a difference. Check it out. Okay, so let's first put the bearing onto this shaft. So we're going to stick this one on. Look at that nice fit. And then the side will be pressed. Okay, that gear goes there. Conical washer. Okay. So this is that washer, the spring washer, creates the tension on there. This one was there. You can hear the gears. There's no oil in here, so let's stick the oil in.
Now that we're done with the gearbox, we're going to head on to the drive. And first things first is this torque driver. So we're gonna be reusing this part, which still looks quite good. We're gonna just give it a proper clean just now. But one hole is for the pin and one is for the grease. That's why there's two holes on each side. And then we are reusing this collar because it looks good. Normally they shear a hole through it if the pins fall out. If the pins fall out and they go skew. But these pins aren't flared or anything. So we're gonna be reusing the pins, the fixed pulley and the collar. Jet's back.
It now. That's cool.
Right, now we are going to use our special tool to press this collar back on, because to get over these O-rings, quite a hassle. We're going to take our special tool, which is just another collar that has a hole in it. Press it nice and even, and press. There we go. Check it out. Now we got to grab the Malossi torsion spring. And now we can grab the Malossi delta clutch. Ooh, look at this. Pretty got the clutch bell, and we've got the clutch. Oh, nice and new. Alright, so we are going to put this on now. Okay. Noise nut is on. We've got our socket, and then we're just going to torque this down again. Flip it up. Sure, that is looking good. Onto the multivar. Okay, so we got our variator here. Check out the bushing over here. This is a dry bushing, so we don't need to put grease in. Unlike the standard that has a groove, you're gonna have to put grease in that, but not this one. Moving on to our cam, we've got our rollers and our sliders here too. So 3 sliders, 6 rollers. The set comes with 11 gram rollers, but we are not going to be installing those. We're going to be installing these 7.2 gram rollers. 7.2, 11. I know it looks bigger, but this one is actually heavier. Now our cam gets the sliders. Let's open our fan pulley. Ooh, check that out. And last but not least, our Malossi belt. Alright guys, that is the complete drive upgrade and gearbox upgrade done. The next video we're going to be doing some more upgrades on the top end, so be sure to like and subscribe on this video. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post the part 2 of this build. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll check you in the next one. Peace.